Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. In this shocking leaked 6 minutes audio between Agrippa Bopela, Masia Kurima, and Temba Mliswa, shamelessly Mliswa admits that his survival mode is to take money and do whatever it takes to survive in politics. He even confesses that his entire campaign against Mkanya Chiwenga was fueled by money, all paid by KUTYA. Trickery at its peak. Ndisanapinda munhawo zvizere tiona Verera Mujata achikomenda pa 6-minute audio yaMliswa yolika achitaura naBopela inyasobuda pachena kuti vana Mliswa varingori vanhu vangoya zvavo kuzongoshandisiwa nokuda kuti vari kutongotsvagawo mari. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mujata unoendera mberi achiti, when Bopela challenges him, why are you now siding with ED when you agreed to back KUTYA? Mliswa coldly replies that business interest must come first, not principle. Mliswa openly declares that ED only protects his own interest and that KUTYA is the man to guarantee that protection. He dismisses social media as irrelevant, broadcasting that ED has already dealt with that threat. Temba then viciously mocks Chiwenga, calling him a stepfather, and weak, he brags about photos with ED while distributing bicycles to chiefs and drags in Commander Defenses Forces Valerius that was part of the plans, claiming the army will never beg Chiwenga because he has never given them cars. While Valerio has handed out 100 cars from Tagure, who has bought 500 cars and 400 still to be delivered, and is loyal to Zebra, not Chiwenga's handler. Mliswa sneers further that Chiwenga is no longer a real soldier and is simply anofuri rwanemukadzi wake. Even more chilling, he boasts that low-ranking soldiers can be bought with cash and cars to prevent them from ever turning against the generals. Listen, Zimbabwe, beware. In this swamp of greedy opportunists, sellouts, and double dealers, your associations can cost you not just your future, but your very survival. The truth is out. The mask is slipped. Now the nation must decide to stand with the people or perish with the traitors. Thomas Kwanomuda pangwa inamba posta awa the 6-minute audio racho pangwa ine vachiti aiwa zvigananda zvanyanya zvigananda pangwa ine zvavanyazozvibuditsa pachena vana Mliswa pangwa ine vanyatsotaura maplans avo ameno kuti vachaendera mberi nemaplans avo here pangwa ino azolika. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon.